Guys, while I'm usually here to share information with you, today I want to flip that around. I want to hear from you guys. Why? Because our goal here at ToolBoxBuzz and Concord Carpenter is to create content that you found useful. A few years back, I think it was 2013, I did a survey and we found it so incredibly helpful. We actually created content based on what you folks told us in that survey. It was super helpful. So in the years since then, we've grown, and we recognize that the interests and challenges of our audience, you, have evolved or changed somehow. And we want to know. So we want to know what you would like us to focus on here on these channels. So please click the link, take the anonymous survey. We promise we'll read it and we will respond. We are already and always trying to improve, and the only way we can really do that is with your input. So thanks so much, guys. I hope you all have a safe, healthy, and happy holiday season. Take care.